Dude, the alignment setup, dialed. Rear setup looked good. The way it flows is amazing.
Hey, what's up guys? Heath with SakeBomb Garage. Today we're checking out TJ Hunt's C6 Ohlins kit. This was manufactured by us here at SakeBomb Garage exclusively for the C6 Corvette by FPSpec. I want to give a huge thank you to TJ for letting us be part of his C6 drift build.
We have brand new Ohlins coilovers, but not just any Ohlins coilovers. These are a collaboration with SakeBomb. Look at that, SakeBomb FPSpec. This is not a product that Ohlins sells. So it's some of Ohlins components with the bodies from SakeBomb, but you can order them from SakeBomb, so be sure to do that. I'll link them down below. They've been making a few different coilovers from us that Ohlins doesn't make. You can kind of like use some of the stuff from SakeBomb and use parts from Ohlins to make a certain set, but Ohlins on a Corvette, who would have thought? So these came in, we're super hyped. The car's just kind of been sitting with no suspension, if you guys have kind of noticed that. We have everything on the suspension-wise also finished. Wise fab up front, custom spring rate, Ohlins, coilovers. We're gonna be running the stock bar. Still need to do an alignment, so it looks a little bit crazy right now.
Unfortunately, due to a car stopping in front of him, TJ took a bit of a hit at Hot Pit Auto Fest. Fortunately, our Ohlins kit held up great and was fully intact and able to be put back together and into action, allowing him to take home 8th place in his first competition in the C6. Big congratulations to the team and TJ for all their efforts. Thanks again to TJ for letting us be part of this drift build. We can't wait to see how it performs with our SakeBomb Garage C6 Ohlins coilover kit.